Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard? Oh, not pretty? Welcome you all, my old and new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen. And today, welcome you all to the Jamaican Christmas dinner menu plan. Yes, the Jamaican Christmas dinner menu plan. School day. Now today, I'm drafting out for you all a Jamaican Christmas dinner menu plan. From that plan, all the dishes will be done accordingly, video after video after video, in depth, and they'll be on the channel. Okay, y'all? I am not saying that every single video from now on will have to be one of these dishes, but we'll get them in by, we have to get them in by a certain time, because I want to get them in at a certain time that you all can have everything ready. Now, here we go. First and foremost, for your table, for my Christmas dinner table, you want a centerpiece. When you're setting your table, people use arrangements and stuff. I don't want an arrangement and no flowers for no Christmas dinner table in Jamaica. Food we want, a kitchen we there, and a food we say. So, for the centerpiece, it's the ham. Okay? Now we have the ham. And that's a centerpiece, that big, nice, fluffy, nice ham, pineapples and cherries and all of that up there. Branching off from the ham, you're going to need your Jamaican curry mutton. And we'll link all of these for you in the description. To the left of the ham will be the curry mutton. To the right of the ham will be your baked chicken. Hey y'all, I hope you're all in. Now, these are the protein types, or in Jamaica we say the meat kind. Okay, y'all? Now we want some staple. We want rice and peas and rare. So, coming down, we're going to have our green gungo, R&P. And R&P is my little, what you call it, when I was doing lunches and we took orders, we didn't have no time to stand up and write out rice and peas in the order book, so it would be R&P. So here would be your green gungo, R&P. Now you need another staple, because we want to have choices. So we're going to have mashed potatoes, and sweet potato, potato salad. Yes? So there, to the left of the ham coming down is your green gungo, R&P, which is rice and peas. To the right there would be your mashed potatoes or sweet potato salad. Now, we want some veggies in. So coming right here, we are going to have some stir-fry vegetables, and we can say veggies for short. And to over here, we want to have another choice of vegetable. We're going to have some homemade, yes, homemade, we're going to make it mixed vegetable, so we can say veg for short. Okay, y'all? Now, we want a drink. So, we're coming off, going on there. We want something to drink. So it's the Jamaican, J-A for Jamaican, Sorrel, traditional Sorrel drink. And we can have some rum punch, the Jamaican rum punch. Yeah? We might think about a appetizer, which would be just like a little goat soup, you know? So we'll see about that. A little goated soup might just be the appetizer. We'll see about that. Now we are right here. So we have our, in camera girl, we have a meat kind, okay? We have a staple, we have a vegetable, we have a drink. Now, no meal can be perfect without the dessert. So our dessert is going to be the Jamaican black cake sundae. Yes, Jamaican B/cake, black cake sundae. Now, all of what have been listed here, the only thing that is on the channel so far is the Jamaican black cake sundae. You need to check it out. It's there. It's there. The Jamaican black cake sundae is all there. So we've got our ham, we've got the curry mutton, we have baked chicken to do, all of these. The ham, curry mutton, baked chicken, gungo rice and peas, green gungo to be exact, mashed potatoes, which is Irish potatoes, sweet potato salad, stir-fried veggies, homemade mixed vegetable, to the Jamaican traditional sorrel drink, the Jamaican rum punch, and to top it off with the dessert, the Jamaican black cake sundae. It is already on the channel. Now I've got work to do because I've got to prepare in separate videos all of these. And as I say, for right now we might consider a little appetizer. Not sure as yet. When Christmas we have enough, we maybe not have no time for appetizer. But as we go along, when Christmas time Jamaica we have enough. Okay, it's a patois thing you all don't understand. We eat a lot, so we might not want any appetizer. But as I say, as we go along, we'll see about that. So all these dishes, they will be in depth, video after video on the channel leading up to Christmas, and they will be done quite a bit of time ahead of Christmas. So you all will be hearing that when we come here and we are doing our Christmas dinner and we are lighting and set our table and all of that, you all will be in. All of these that are here, they will be linked in the description for you all. Okay? Now, remember I have promised you all a little bonus. So you know what happened? I'm about to release that bonus, or I'm about to reveal that bonus. Yes, I've got a new channel. It's the Jamaican Debbie Debs. Up on over there. Start, like, subscribe, and share. What you don't hear here, you will hear there. That is no cooking. That is not about cooking. That's a different channel. All the questions that are gonna be arriving in your mind from now, Debbie, a new channel, will answer them all over there. And remember, Jamaican Christmas dinner menu. Okay? I hope you're all in. I've gotten so many requests and I decided just to do it. Now, remember, I love you. I love you. Mwah, mwah, love you. Love you. And if you have liked this Christmas dinner menu planning, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. Continue doing that as you're doing that. Okay, y'all? Leave your comments below on it. And remember, I love you all again. Debbie from Dongayard, from my kitchen to your planning. Christmas, Jamaican Christmas dinner menu. Cut me a cut. Debbie from Dongayard. Boop.